ธิบายไป
Okay, let's start.
So from the element we have 3 nodes and we set up the coordinate at the middle node, and from the assume displacement function we know that at L equal at x equal minus L over 2 is the displacement will be d1, and at x equals 0 the displacement will be d2, and in the same manner as u at L over 2. So we substitute that x equal that value into the equation, and we have the equation 1, 2, and 3. And from the equation 2, we know that at x equals 0, we have a1 equal d2, displacement at node 2. And from that 3 equation, we take the equation 3 minus by equation 1. So we will obtain A2 equal D3 minus D1 or over L. And now we already know A1 and A2 in terms of displacement D, and we substitute that value A1 and A2 in equation 3. So we manipulate that equation. We finally can find A3 equal that equation. And at this point, we all know A1, A2, and A3. So we substitute back in assume displacement function, which is a polynomial. We will have the displacement function in terms of node displacement d1, d2, and d3. And we manipulate the equation to be in terms of x and L. Like we treat d1, d2, and d3 as an variable, and those x and L as a coefficient. So finally, we have this big equation.
Please check the shape function number 3 and 3, please.
Okay.ดูจัดรูปให้หน่อยเนี่ยดูรูปอะไรนะดูจัดรูปหน่อยแป๊บนึงดูนะ
So what happened when you substitute x equal to L over 2 for n3? If you substitute x equal to L over 2 to n3, so what happened? n3 becomes 0. That is maybe not correct right now. Okay, just a little bit.
การมันเป็นบวกเว้ย
yes.
3 ลบ 1 เป็นบวก
Yes, that's good. Something missing for this. It should be x over L plus 2x squared over L squared. Okay. So you may check the shape function. If for x equal to minus L over 2, n1 should be 1, n2 and n3 should be 0. If you substitute x equal to 0, n1 and n3 should be 0, but n2 should be 1. If you substitute x equal to L over 2, n1 and n2 should be 0, but n3 should be 1. Okay, that is the property of the shape function. That is the property of the shape function. Actually, I used to, I asked you, it's been last week, I asked you what is a shape function, right? In the Facebook, in our group. Okay, and this is the for, I would like you to find something for the shape function, and you have, I would like you to understand the shape function. Okay, so for your group, it's very good job for you, but it's a little bit mistake to last term, but you already know it, right? Okay,